Bedtime Yoga Challenge. Day 7 Sleepy Time Stretch.
My friends, day 7. Get rid of that microphone. Day 7 of your 7-day bedtime yoga challenge. Thanks for doing it with me. All of these days, the playlist is down below with all 7 videos. Bookmark that. Sun finally came out again. And hey, if you're doing this with me, I know you are, and you're on Instagram, you can always tag me at Sean Vigue Fitness in the story or the feed, and I'll definitely share it on doing the 7-day bedtime challenge. Welcome, day 7, my friends. Check in below right now. This is all on our backs. All on our backs. It'll lead us right into a beautiful, beautiful night's sleep. You ready? Here we go.
Fine chariot, but where's the horses?
All on our backs. I have sunscreen on, but hopefully you're doing this in the evening, and it's going to lead you into that deep REM Depeche Mode sleep. Okay, in the nose, out the nose, onto your back. I have my little list right here. Knee in to start. We come down. Bring the right knee in, left leg out, gentle stretches, head down. With each exhale, bring the knee in closer. Relax your fingers and toes, wrists and ankles. Let's do 5 breaths here. Well, we'll just set that over here. Little rotation of the ankle, little movement of the toes. Get some separation between the legs. Left leg extending out, right knee drawing in. And let's rock side to side. Get some little mobility in the hip, in the knee, in the tendons, in the joints. Steady breath, in the nose, out the nose. Make sure you're in a nice quiet spot. You feel free to play your own music. Little Jim Brickman or, I don't know, Megadeth. Okay, while we're here, this is a version of the Pigeon on our backs. I want you to open this leg and take your hands. One hand on the foot, other hand on the calf. And we move, drawing that leg in. You feel free to rock side to side too. Want to keep it loose. Shake off the rust from the day. 4 more breaths. Addie's watching. Can almost stay here forever. But we need to eat. Okay. All right, shake out that leg. That's very good. Let's bring the other leg in. Bring the left knee into the chest. Right leg extends away. And draw it in. Each exhale. 5 breaths. Loosen the feet and the ankles. Very important. They serve us very well during the day. Feet and ankles, keep them loose. All right, take the leg back and forth a little bit. Yeah. Whew, good stretch. It's a wonderful way to end the day before we go to sleep. No matter what happened, you can come down here. We can do this together. We can do this 7-day challenge together and reset. All right, open it up. There we are. There's the pigeon on your back. You may also do this and put a pigeon on your stomach while you're doing it. 2 pigeons. Relax those shoulders. Our chest is nice and open. The chest is expanding. Now bring the knees into the chest. Oh, 5 breaths. One of my favorites. Relax. Pull the knees close to each other and breathe into your lower back. We got happy feet. There we go. Little Steve Martin. Oh. Okay. Keep your eye out. Figure 4. Left foot flat, right ankle on top. Bring the legs towards you. Right arm in between, left arm outside. And pull head up or down. Let's do 5 breaths. Each exhale, pull and press your elbow into the leg. Open up. Oh, that's so good. Into the glutes and the hips, the hip flexors. Just because we're on our backs doesn't mean we're not trying. We are exerting some effort here, some breath. Should still be a little bit of tightness. You're feeling it because you're going right into it. One more breath. Excellent, excellent. Other side. There we are. Figure 4. Feel free to sway. There we go. Whew. I've been hitting my workouts with much more intensity lately, I think, because it's finally getting nice outside. I get so invigorated. I put on Beethoven's 6th Symphony, the Pastoral, and go crazy. So these stretches, these movements for increased mobility are very much welcomed. Very much. All right, release. Can't do it on your back. That sounds weird. Without a lying twist. Take your legs, bring them up, drop them to the right. Feel free to extend out as much as you like. Upper body turns. And here we are, 5 breaths. Always with the pockets. Move this left arm up and down. Oh, man. Feel that creeping into your back. Just your rhomboids and your shoulder blades. You can grab this leg also. How does that feel? Are we feeling better? Making a difference here? Okay. Other side. Engage. Let me just fall right off my deck. And raise this arm up and down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Whew. I've been getting rather rambunctious with my pull-ups lately, so any chance I have to stretch down here in these lats, especially rhomboid areas, shoulder blades, oh, let's take it. One more breath. Winding it down, wind it down. Oh, okay. I wrote down here, because all of these in the 7-day challenge, there's 5 stretches. This is extra credit. We're going to 6. Maybe I'm feeling charitable because it's day 7. Just throwing out supine butterflies right here. Bottoms of the feet together, hands here, or this is, I like to add this on. You may, if you want, like to press back and forth. Press into the legs so you're getting some stretch, some traction in your lumbar area of your spine. Also, I feel that stretch creeping down into my quads and hip flexors. One more breath. Open the hips. This is a good visual. It's good symbolism too. Opening up the breath, opening up the body before you go to sleep. All right, legs out, stretch, stretch, stretch. And that's it, my friends. Day 7, your 7-day bedtime yoga challenge. Let's just take it over and go to sleep. Make sure you checked in below. Hit the like, subscribe, and tag me on Instagram at Sean Vigue Fitness when you do it. And what an absolute pleasure it is to do the 7-day challenge with you. Do it as much as you like and as often as you like. We spent the whole night talking. You said you'd like to see the sun rise, but in the gold of morning was nothing that I had not seen in your eyes. Ooh, ooh. That song reminds me of someone, but I'm not going to say who. Good night.
Because if I had enough time, I would take those rosary bleeds and stuff them up your nose.
These bleeds?
Those bleeds, yeah.
You don't take these and shove them up?
I take these bleeds here.